The Airbus A350, the most advanced commercial aircraft in the world. Its construction, nothing short of a masterpiece, on the grand scale and down to the smallest detail. 2.5 million components, 1800 professionals for the final assembly alone, together constructing an aircraft the likes of which the world has never seen before. Here's a big welcome to Air India's newest wide body, also India's first A350. Victor Tango Juliet Romeo Alpha. These A350s are fuel efficient and have lowest cost per seat than any large wide-body aircraft. Uses composite material which is lighter and stronger than aluminum. 50% reduction in noise footprint and range more than the planet Earth's diameter. Now let's dive into the cabin. Unique welcome, aesthetically pleasing entryway, more personal space and privacy, bigger windows allowing more natural light and expansive view of the sky. 28 business class seats with thoughtful amenities and modern design. Ambient lighting adds soothing and stylish atmosphere to your journey. 24 premium economy seats offer better food and better space. 18-inch wide 264 economy seats so the shoulders don't drop. Quieter cabin allows lesser distraction to your me time, with a big galley for a variety of cuisine on board. Bigger storage to carry some extra love from your home. Newest in-flight entertainment for your kids to watch their favorite shows on high quality screens. With new uniform, new livery and the newest aircraft. Welcome the new Air India in Indian and international skies.